So welcome back to DevMart YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple step by step which you can implement in your website to get the massive SEO results. So let's talk about the first step, which is define what your SEO success look like. It can be anything. It can be getting as much clicks as you want on the website, or also getting the visitors on the specific page of your website, whether you want to make a sale from that page or anything related to that, or there can be another reason as well, which is you want to rank higher on the Google, which is what the main reason is for doing the SEO, so that whenever any people type anything related to your business, your website show on the first of the page. So this is what the main reason of why most of the people are doing SEO. So define your goal before doing SEO. So now let's talk about the second step, which is do a strategic keyword research, which means that you can do a proper research on the keywords which can be ranked on the Google. So to do it efficiently, what you can do is you can look on your competitor websites which are already ranking on the Google and check the keywords which are being ranked, and what they are using as a keyword for ranking their website. You can use some of the tools like SEMrush and all, which will help you to identify the keywords. And also, if you will spend 2 or 3 minutes on the internet, you will find many tools which will help you to identify those keywords. Those are free of cost if you want to do few research, but if your main goal is to do the keyword research, then you can go for the paid one. But I will recommend that for testing purpose, you should go with the free version. Once you have done your keyword research, now we will move on to the next step, which is fix technical SEO issues, which means that uh, there are many things in the technical SEO. Some of them are you need to correct your title. One of the important things which you have to do is write the title in around 156 character or something, so that it will be on the it will be visible on the Google directly without having them to click on your website. So let's suppose if you have a video that how you can rank your website on the Google, you need to make sure that those all titles are appearing on the first go. They don't have to click on that website before reading all the title. So if there are many things like this, this is the first one in the technical SEO. Other one is that you need to set up your slug or the URL, you can say also, in a way that it is visual or it is related to the post or blogs which you are doing. So it will make more sense once you will set up the URL in that way. There are other things as well, like you have to submit your sitemap whenever you are posting any blogs on your website, so you need to take care of that as well. And once you have finalized or fixed technical SEO issues, now we will move on to the next topic, which is optimize every page on your site, which means that you will have to go to each of the site and then set their title according to your website, and also add your website title at the end of the page of that title. Like if you have a website named ABC and your blog is how to rank your website on the Google, so once you will write that title, how to rank your website on the Google, at the end of that title you can write ABC, which is the name of your website, so it will be more SEO friendly. So this is one thing which you have to do, and also you need to make sure that whatever the image you are using, you are putting the alt tag according to your page. So let's suppose if you have a page of about us, so if you are putting any image of yours, make sure that you are putting about us alt tag as well in that image so that it will be ranked, and also add your website title name at the end of that alt tag. Once you have optimized all of your pages, then we can move on to the next step, which is create high value content consistently, which means that you can create the blog. You can take help of Gravity Write and other AI tool as well, which will help you to generate the idea that how your blog should look like, and how many characters you can do in a blog. The most preferable range is 1000 to 1500 words. If your blog is within that, it will make more sense, and it is not that long and not short as well. It will help Google to understand that what your content is all about, and it will push to more of the people or more of the audience, and it will rank your website easily. So you need to make sure that you are posting the content which is a blog consistently, so that you will have some audience, so that Google will rank your website easily. So once you have uh, once you are done with this step, we will move on to the next one, which is build authoritative backlinks, which means that you need to make sure that you are doing the backlinks, which means that you are adding your site URL to other websites, and doing partnership with them, that you will also add their website, and then they will also add your website. So Google see this as more trusted thing. So if your website has 10 backlinks, and some people are coming from those websites, it will Google will see that as more authorized and more trustworthiness. So once you are done with this backlinks, now we will move on to the next one, which is track, analyze, and improve, which means that you can uh, sign up on the Google Sitekit, which will help you to identify that how many visitors you are getting every day, every month, and which place they belong to, and which device they are using, whether it is mobile, whether it is desktop, whether they are from India, and how many people are visiting your website, 100 to 100. It will give you all the results which you want, all the data which you want to improve your website or content as well. So once we are done with this one, we will move on to the next and last step, which is stay consistent and patient. SEO is a long-term game, so if you are planning to do the SEO, you will have to spend at least 3 to 6 months to get the results. To appear in first 3 websites, you will have to spend at least 6 months to do the SEO, and just be patient and do the work which is required, like posting the content on daily basis, tracking the data that where you are missing and what you can improve, and also some of the steps which I have told you in this one, like optimize pages, fix technical SEO, like you can submit your sitemap after doing all the blogs which you do. So this was all about this video. If you find this video useful, just like this video, so it will help more users to find this video. And if you want a full tutorial on SEO and what are the titles we use on our website and for putting the content like blog and all, then you can just comment down to this video, and I would love to create a full-fledged video on SEO and how we create the blogs, how we write the content, how we come up with the idea that which content we should write. We will create all the things. So this was all about this video. Thanks and bye for now.